What's good, fam? Welcome back to Tito's Kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make pickled red onions. Man, these things busting. Stop playing. Check it out, it's real easy to make. First, you get these things right here. Some whole peppercorn, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt. Of course, you need a big onion to do the red onions. And then you just need a cup of water and a half cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, we're gonna put it all together. Boom. Put your sugar and salt in there. Throw your peppercorns in there. Throw the cup of water in there. Throw that vinegar in there and just mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Yeah, okay, anyway, after you do that, we're gonna put that to the side. Now, pull out that onion, dog. Chop that onion up like that. We're gonna chop it up like that, Julienne style. Yeah, just like that. Once you're done with that, put it in the bowl. Once it's in that bowl, we're gonna take some boiling water and we're gonna put it right in the bowl with the onions. Just for 1 minute though, not longer than that, 1 minute. Yeah, it's gonna soak up all the flavor like that. All right, once you drain that, stop playing. Put the onions in that jar right there. You can use a mason jar or this pickle jar like I'm using. Put it in there right there, just like that. Okay, now pour the brine in there, just like that. There you go. Close it up tight. After that, put the top on. Go ahead and shake that thing. Shake that thing. Okay, after that, let it cool down. Put it in the refrigerator. It'll last for weeks. Man, these onions off the chain. I put that on everything I love. Like burgers and quesadillas and chicken, beans, and rice and that type of stuff. Anyway, peace.